So you'd like to get a small parrot. That's wonderful. Small parrots make excellent pets. But before you go and get one, here's a few things I'd like you to consider. Meet Buddy. Buddy is the perfect small parrot. He likes to cuddle, he's friendly with everybody, and he sings. Here's the thing. In the past 6 months, Buddy has cost me nearly $1,000 in vet bills. That's right, nearly $1,000 Canadian in vet care. See, a lot of people don't take their small birds to the vet. But if I hadn't taken Buddy, he'd be gone by now. So before you get your new feathered friend, make sure you budget for their health care. Another common small species are the Budgies, like Pepper here. Here's the thing about Budgies. They're very messy. My 2 Budgies make more mess than any of my other birds combined. They also go through more toys. So unless you have a little bit set aside to continually buy toys for your Budgies, it might be a good idea to learn how to make them. Another pet peeve of mine with these small birds is the nutrition. All of my birds are on pellets and fresh fruit and vegetables daily. Pet stores want to sell you grit, seeds, and very small cages. Unfortunately, these aren't ideal. If you want your Budgie to live up to 15 years, make sure you do your research and provide the best habitat possible for them. Isn't that right, Pepper? Yeah. Another small parrot rising in popularity are the green-cheeked conures. That's because as babies, they're very cuddly, and green cheeks love learning tricks. Tunnel. Good boy. Wave. Good boy. Turn. Good boy. Conures, like other small species, can also be prone to feather-destructive behavior and screaming. These behaviors are often skipped in the small parrot literature. So before you get your bird, make sure you do some research and have some tools to deal with these situations. The Indian ringneck parakeet, like Darwin here, is another popular choice. That's because these birds are excellent flyers and amazing talkers. Here's the thing. Before you bring one of these home, consider watching some of those cute YouTube videos highlighting talking Indian ringnecks for several hours on a loop. Then imagine listening to that noise for several hours every day for the next 30 years. It can be quite the commitment. If that much noise doesn't bother you, they might be a good parrot choice for you. Yeah, I know mine is. Hey, darling. Hey, are you a good boy? If you're still considering getting a small parrot for your next friend, consider the following. Small parrots are still parrots. They're going to require adequate housing, proper nutrition, and vet care. Be prepared to spend time or money on toys, and know that they need several hours a day of socialization to avoid things like feather plucking and screaming. And if you are looking for a new feathered friend, consider contacting your local Humane Society and Parrot Rescue. These are wonderful sources of information, and you never know who you might find. Isn't that right, Zora?